SR Timber's market-leading premium gold roofing batten, well known for its superior quality and unique orange-yellow coloring. With over 10 million linear meters used on roofs in the UK, this is the journey of how SR Timber supports roofing batten from the tree to the roof. We begin in the Baltic states, Latvia, where SR Timber battens are made from the finest quality spruce and pine in forests that produce sustainably sourced, slow-grown timber. After the trees are felled, they are first brought into our operation as cut logs, which are sorted for shape and size before being transferred to the largest roofing batten production mill in Europe. The logs then enter a fully integrated production process that enables large quantities of battens to be produced at a rapid pace without sacrificing the high standards of consistency, of quality, and dimensional accuracy which SR Timber battens are renowned for. As part of a continuous quality program, the logs are first checked for any metal contamination and then sent to be debarked. After debarking, the logs pass through a large diameter saw to produce sideboards, which are then sent by a conveyor to a machine called a splitter to produce a number of 38mm and 50mm wide battens. The remaining rectangular chunk of the log, called a cant, is also sliced into rectangular boards to produce battens. Hence, a typical log will produce about 25 to 30 battens. At every stage of this process, any battens which are bent, not square-edged or otherwise unsuitable for use, are removed from the production process and sent for chipping into wood residue. Highly experienced and trained personnel are employed to inspect all SR Timber battens for acceptable quality every step of the way. Quite simply, anything that is not good enough will be rejected at source. We pride ourselves on the quality of our production facilities, which are independently checked on a regular basis by BM Trada. As a result, SR Timber battens boast an enviable certification mark known as the Q mark. Quality battens that fully meet the BS 5534 requirements and SR Timber's own stringent standards are packaged and marked as premium gold. This is proudly stamped onto each and every premium gold batten, along with the British Standard Number, the batten's dimensions, and timber species code, all of which are a legal requirement. At the last stage of production, the battens are impregnated with preservative to the required level suitable for roofs, and SR Timber's premium gold battens receive their distinct coloured preservative. Before the battens can begin their shipment to the UK, they are stored outside in the fresh air for some time in order to dry down further. They then make their way onto a ship bound for the company's holding terminals in both Goole and Cardiff in South Wales, and from there, they are transported on to roofing merchant depots. After continual testing and exhaustive quality control, what started out as a tree is finally delivered to site as a batten. Roofing contractors can rest assured knowing that not only have they installed the best product to support their roofing structure, all underpinned by a 60-year guarantee, but they are part of a supply chain that is committed to being the leader in roofing battens and sustainability.